Hi everyone, my name is Abhinaya. I am from Warangal. I completed my B.Tech in Computer Science and Engineering in the year 2023 with an aggregate of 7.7. I joined Jspiders in August 18, 2025 and opted for the course Java Full Stack. Coming to my trainers, for core Java and programming, Pawan Kumar sir had explained core Java concepts to me clearly, and it has helped a lot to me improve my logical thinking. And my advanced Java trainer is Sir. The way he explained the topics helped me to understand the advanced topics clearly. Coming to front end, that like JavaScript was taught by Satyam sir. It helped me to get the knowledge on front end skills. And SQL was by Divya ma'am. And aptitude was like Shravan sir. And aptitude skills helped me a lot in my journey to get the job. As a junior Java developer, for first 6 months with a package with 12K per month, and the next 6 months 15K per month. I'm grateful for the Jspiders Institute for the continuous support and opportunities that they are providing for me. Thank you.